Hey guys, how you doing? This is Aldo Gonzalez once again making a short little training video. Today I'm actually going to talk about Google Calendars and how I use Google Calendars. The other day I actually made a training video how to break down your budget, your daily time budget, okay? It's not a financial budget, it's a time budget. You know, this is something we all I guess nobody talks about this, but it's very important, especially if you're a full-time dad, full-time husband, and at the same time have a full-time job. I personally work 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and within that time, actually, before I go to work, during work, and after work, I try to squeeze in some time to get my business going, and I try to work between 4 to 5 hours a day on my network marketing business. So I created this video, how to budget your time for your business. So go check out that video when you have a chance. Go to my fan page and just Google Aldo Gonzalez Network Marketing Training or through Facebook search, and you're going to find my training information right there. But today I'm actually going to talk about what I use to, once I have my time budget as far as squeezing in time to work, what I do within that time. And to keep me pretty much focused with my business, I actually use a free tool called Google Calendar. And what's cool about Google Calendar, once you set up your schedule for the week, for the month, for the day, it gives you an alert. It sends you an email. Sends me an alert as far as what time it is, and it's time to get to work. And like I said, I have a full-time job, and I'm a father of two, and I have a beautiful wife. But at the same time, I want to spend time with them. But the best way for me to work my business and have the right balance is to create a schedule. And I usually wake up early in the morning, and I go to sleep late at night because I want to work on my business. But within that, let me give you a breakdown of how I use Google Calendars. I actually, on Sunday nights, I try to complete and prepare myself for the week. And I just want to show you what I do. I wake up usually around 3:40 in the morning, and within 3:40 in the morning and 6:10 I put into work. And like tomorrow morning, my goal is to connect with more people and build more relationships on Facebook, and I have that right here. And at the same time, during lunch, I actually spend 15 minutes to eat, and the other 45 minutes I actually spend it in my business, trying to build my business, trying to network. And at night, on Monday, I do the same thing, connect with more people. So this is a schedule, what I have set for tomorrow. And I do this on Sunday, and I break it down for the whole week, okay? This is the reason I'm making this video, that we have tools as online marketers that we could use on a daily basis to keep us focused in our business. And like I said, you got to stay consistent with your business, but at the same time, you need some type of planning that could help you stay consistent. And I choose Google Calendar to program my day, program my week. And as you can see, I got my whole week already set up as far as what I plan to do during the week. Sometimes my schedule doesn't pan out. Things come up. New training videos, new ideas pop up. But at the same time, I know what I have a plan in mind of what I want to do during the week. And once I get there, I take action, and I work my business the right way. So I just wanted to make you a little short training video because nobody talks about little stuff like this, which I think is very important because it's the fundamentals for your business. Everybody's always talking about how to generate more leads, how to generate more traffic, but they never talk about the real fundamental problems as why many people don't really succeed. Is because they don't really plan for their day. They don't plan for their business, and it all starts, you got to plan by the minute. We all have different lifestyles, we all have different schedules. Your schedule is going to vary different than it's going to be very different than mine, but make sure you schedule your days, make sure you schedule what you plan on doing the following day. And I personally like using Google Calendar. You could use an Outlook calendar, you could use a different calendar you have on your iPhone, but I choose Google because it's synced up with my phone, it's synced up with my computer, so I know what I got to do on a daily basis or what I got planned to do to work my business. So this is something that you as an online marketer who really wants to grow their business, make sure you plan for your day, make sure you plan for the week. Not only that, you break it down as far as what you plan on doing for that hour, for that minute, so you could have a successful and productive day. That pretty much is gonna, what I call it is income producing activities on a daily basis to get you to your ultimate goal, which is pretty much at the end to get more sales. But before you get sales, you got to plan doing that to make sure how you're going to get those sales. Okay, so I hope you found value on this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make your comments, like it, and make sure if you guys haven't been using Google Calendar, make sure you guys use it and implement it in your business to keep you on track with doing what you got to do on a daily basis. So once again, this is Aldo Gonzalez. Make sure you guys go to my fan page, Aldo Gonzalez Network Marketing Training, and click like. And once you click like, click on get notifications. Like this, you'll get notified every time I put up new training, a new post, a new video. You guys will be the first ones to see it if you click like and then click get notifications. So hope you guys are having a great day, and see you guys online. You guys take care.